Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin avec for the week of January 10th through the 16th. And this week I will be using, gosh, where did they go? Oh, all right. I will be using stickers that I just released a few days ago. This is Winter Forest. Half of it was already used in my week. So this is the Winter Forest, and then these are the Winter Forest circles, the Winter Forest functionals, and then the Winter Forest quote. So this comes as a collection in my shop. I probably won't be using the big quote in my weekly spread because there's just not enough room. So I'll probably use this in my daily journal. And then the Winter Forest, I love it here, but I feel like I would rather use it in my daily over 2 days. Now, most of the decoration is probably going to come from these two, and then I'm going to include, you know, in the habit that I get into of like clearing things out, I also then lose stuff. This washi from the Coffee Monsters Co., as well as this washi from Simply Gilded. Let's get started. All right, so I seem to get, I guess, somewhat good feedback from you guys about talking through, and rather than speeding through, doing a voiceover all of these. I think I just struggled with it though because I was trying to focus on finding stickers as well as placing them down properly as well as talking, and it was a lot. And I know that I used to be able to do that, but I think because I'm still getting used to this format, I'm still getting used to where all of my stickers are, for example, in my sticker albums, that it just became a lot. So I may not do that today, and I apologize for not having nails done today. Oh, I don't want to cut the guy off. Where's my ruler? I don't want to cut the working guy off, so I'll cut it here. See, and I even forgot what I was saying because I was distracted by putting the washi down. That's what I get. Okay, so then that's basically so cute. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of this washi down. I forget what it's called from Simply Gilded. I swatched it and now I completely forget. And I'm going to take one of my new This Week stickers from my shop and just put this week so that I have an area that I know that this is this week. Duh. So then thing I'm next gonna do here is the sleep tracker as well as my workout tracker. Make sure I have my ruler and make sure I have the appropriate stickers. This is my massive sticker album, and I've sorted it out in a way that I feel like I could find everything the way I needed to. I'm sure it could be a lot more organized than it actually is. You won't need that. I don't need that. But it's fine for now. Like, it's bulging, and the sticker album is from, according to Allie, I have 3 of these. 2 the terrazzo and 1 in the pink, and they're bursting. But I like, this is what works for me. And then I need one for working out. So let's pull the working out ones. And there we go. I'll be starting a new round of Lift 4 next week, which will be good. It'll be nice to get back into that. So I'm going to zoom in. All right. So initially I was going to try and do everything in with the Pilot Kakuno with the Lexington Gray. I'm finding the ink very wet. I even have it in an extra fine nib, but you know what? I'm going to, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to try. So I'm going to put down this blue here, and it's my Tombow in the 553, and then use my Tombow Fudenosuke to just write down sleep. There we go. And then take this cute Snorlax sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. Place him there. And I really do like to keep track of my sleep scores and how long how much sleep I do get, I find it really, what am I doing? 6, 5, 4. Beneficial because I think that making sure that I get into a good nighttime habit, as well as ensuring that I'm getting enough rest, is very important to my overall well-being and mental health, because nobody wants to see me on a day that I haven't had enough sleep. So then underneath it, I feel like I need another, like a more, no, I have a gray somewhere. Oh, I do have a gray in my mild liners, so let's pull that out. And this will be for workouts. And I think I'm going to put the workout sticker down on this side. I love them. How cute are they? And I mean, these ones too are cute. I like the one sticking his butt out. Put that one down there, and then just write workout. Is that dry? I actually really like brush lettering the words workout. I think it looks so cute after. Okay, then I will be restarting lift 4. I wrote triceps without the letter I in it. Oh boy. Thursday, Friday. And I like this workout because it is only 4 days a week. And then I believe it's back and biceps. And then Wednesday is a rest. Thursday is shoulders. And then Friday is legs. And then rest on Saturday and Sunday. I like that it's only 4 workouts a week, because if I miss a workout one day, I have 3 other days that I can put it, basically get 3 rest days, which I enjoy. So then in this little corner, I'm going to place this lovely big sticker with a little bit of this washi. I know I'm going to cover up some of the area here where I'm going to basically, well, do I need to cover it? What if I put it up here? There we go. I do cover up some of the area where I'm going to write down my meals, but I think overall, I think it looks really good. I'm going to add another bit of washi down at the bottom left corner. Oh, enjoy that even more. Perfect. All right, and what I will do is I will actually speed through the rest of this. I can already tell I'm like, ugh. So I would rather speed through this and do a voiceover when I'm a little bit more composed. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw in the lines for work Monday through Friday. And then once I've drawn in the lines with my Pilot Kakuno extra fine pen, I then go in with these teardrop stickers from my Winter Forest collection. And there's 3 different colors in this particular collection, and I love how tiny they are, and I can have them printed in white matte or clear matte, but I place one on each day, and then I will take my work script stickers and place them on each day. And on I was trying to figure out whether I wanted to put emojis, but instead I'm like, no, I'm just going to keep it to work script, keep it simple. And then the next thing that I do is take my new pick up kids and drop off kids stickers rather than write them in, and place them along each day with the dots from the Winter Forest collection. So I need to remind myself that I have to pick up my kids. I actually even have a reminder on my phone, an alarm on my phone to remind me to go pick them up. And then once I have all of those down, then I take one of my to-do blackout stickers and I cut it down to fit within the Hobonichi column, and then write down that I have to meal plan and order groceries. That's pretty much what I do every Monday night, and then I have the groceries picked up on Thursday evening. Once I've done that, then I decide actually along the bottom, I'm going to take my Tombow Dual Brush Pen, and the colorway is 553. But before I do that, I actually write down BLD for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then as the header, I use the Tombow Dual Brush Pen in 553, and then in my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, then brush letter in the word meals. And the little paper that I've got underneath there is actually the blotting paper from Herbon, and that'll just prevent me from smearing, which I already did once, but it'll prevent me from smearing the fountain pen ink that I already have on the paper. Then once I have done that, I take a first day sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co. and write back to school for the kids, because they are back to in-person learning on Monday, which I am very, very excited for. And then on Tuesday, I take a grocery emoji and brush letter in, no, not a grocery emoji, a garbage emoji. Hello. And then brush letter in garbage. Gosh, I can't speak. And then Wednesday, I have a physio appointment, so I take my Tombow Dual Brush Pen and then this chiropractor sticker, and then brush letter in physio. And then I remember that on Thursday we do pick up the groceries, so then I do the same thing with the Tombow Dual Brush Pen and a groceries emoji and brush letter in groceries. Then moving on to Saturday, actually no, moving on to Friday, I'm trying to decide which one is the best sticker I want to use for filming, so I just take one of these YouTube stickers and brush letter in film, and then write in that I have to film my week's and cousin plan with me. Now I move on to Saturday, and Saturday is when Henry has his wall climbing, so I take one of these flag stickers from the Winter Forest collection and then brush letter in that he has a wall climbing. And we haven't scheduled in Robin's archery yet, so I haven't written that in. But laundry seems to be a pretty permanent thing on a Saturday night. So I take my dual brush pen and then this sticker from, I believe it's Paper Bits Co., and then brush letter in laundry. And then I take this big cleaning emoji from Coffee Monsters Co. and my own cleaning script stickers in my shop, and then write in all of the cleaning that we have to do on Sunday. All right, now that I kind of have like the base down, I can add a little bit more decoration. So I'm gonna add this up here. Yeah, and then if I have to write anything on either side, there's still room. And then I want to add this one down here with, where is that one? Oh, no, where'd it go? Oh. Anyone else like this when they're planning, like the whole working space just becomes a whole mess? Yeah, that's not just me. Good. And then just a little there, just to add a little bit of decoration. This is the thing I like about the Hobonichi Cousin, is that you can make it as decorative or as functional as you want. I see a lot of spreads out there that are just pen and highlighter. I see some spreads that are full-on kits. And this is what I love about this planner, is that there is no one right way to do it. If planning completely functionally with just pen and highlighter is what works for you, great. And I love seeing those types of spreads. And then if decorating it with tons of stickers is what is creative for you, great. I think I'm like a little bit in between or closer to the functional with some stickers, but I love seeing everybody's different spreads and how they make the most of this planner that is so neutral and everybody just does their own thing with it. I love it. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. A reminder that these are now available in my shop. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.